Hello guys. Today let's learn what is simultaneous election that was in the news. Simultaneous election is nothing but the election at the central level as well as the state level and even the local governments. They will be held at once. So the MP elections as well as MLA elections and even for the panchayat elections, they will be held at the same time. So this is called as simultaneous election. So recently the central government is pushing towards this simultaneous election. So the reasons are, first one is to reduce the cost of elections. The frequent elections will put burden on the government exchequer. So the simultaneous election can actually reduce the cost of elections for repeated elections for frequent elections. And the second is the manpower that is used for the elections, that can also be reduced, or they can be used at only once in 5 years, as the repeated elections will make these government employees to be in the election mode. As we can see, the teachers at the government school, they will be on election duty frequently. So you can reduce using manpower for the elections frequently. And also another reason is when there are frequent elections, the model code of conduct will be enforced frequently. So that will also paralyzes the policy implementations. So these are various reasons that government pushing towards the simultaneous election. But on the other hand, there are concerns that are raised by experts. That is, the simultaneous elections, if held, they will they will subsume the state policies, or you can say the state policies or the state actions. They will become invisible, or they will not be held accountable by the people during elections, as the central policies or the central actions they will get overhanded. So this is one of the concern. And also another concern is because of frequent elections, the political parties which are in power, they will be frequently held accountable. So they will be asked questions regarding their policies, so their implementation. So because of one-time elections, these political parties, they may not be active, or they may not be held accountable by the people. So this is also one of the concerns that is raised by the experts. And also, when there is simultaneous election, the manpower which is required is also more. And also the purchasing of these EVMs, known as electronic voting machines, as well as VVPATs, that also has to be increased, and that will again put burden on the exchequer. So these are various concerns. So guys, whenever you are preparing for any of the exams like UPSC or KPSC, for any issue, you need to consider both positives as well as its challenges, and then you need to come up with the solutions as well. So we have seen the now for simultaneous elections, we have seen both positives as well as challenges. So the the solution lies in the bringing simultaneous election has it requires amendment to the constitution on for various articles, as well as there is need of laws to regulate this simultaneous election, as well as we need amendment to Representation of People Act 1951, and also we need deliberation. We need all the stakeholders. We need the consent from center, states, as well as experts, to discuss on the issue simultaneous election. And we need to take thoughtful actions regarding this simultaneous election, so that it has to uphold a democracy, as well as there should be free and fair election in the country, and it should be beneficial to all. It should be beneficial to people. It should be beneficial to all the the political parties as well. And its main aim should be to uphold the democracy, to uphold the constitution at all levels. So this is all about simultaneous election. Thank you.